Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and the sequel series, where in the series we will be solving some of the most real world SQL problems which were frequently asked in the interviews. So, in today's video, we will be solving one of the question from the Snapchat, one that is often asked in SQL interview, and in terms of the understanding perspective, also this question is very important. Let's move on to the question. We need to write a query to obtain the breakdown of time spent sending versus the opening snaps as a percentage of the total time spent on these activity grouped by the age group. We need to uh, group the output by the age group, and we need to round the percentage to the two decimal places in the output. So so here we will be getting clear picture of our input and output. So we have we have two columns. One is age breakdown, one is activity, and the common column is user id between them. And this is the desired output which we need to get. We need to have age bucket, we need to have send percentage and open percentage rounded to the two decimal places. So, and here there are some of the unwanted columns which have been given, like activity id is no use of us, activity date is no use of us. And the main thing is, in the activity type there are rows of something like chat, but our matter of interest is only in the open and send percentage. So we need to filter out the rows by only uh, having open and send in the activity type. So we need to do this filtration, and then uh, joining. So here we can do. And obviously percentage can be find out by total time spending divided by total time spent, or overall. In the same way, total time spent opening divided by total time taken to sending plus opening. So the approach towards this question would be, first of all, although this question can be solved with many ways, we will be following a simpler and intuitive approach, so that we will get a clear understanding of the query. So first of all, I will be writing a common table expression. In this common table expression, I will be selecting I will be selecting the age group by combining the age breakdown and the activities. So age group, and then I will be finding the sum of time spent sum of time spent for sending the snap. In the next column, I will be finding sum of time spent for sending, sorry, opening the opening the snap. And in the third column, I will be having total sum in sending and opening, send plus open. So I will be having, and I will be combining from this age join activities. So this is the ct. So from here, we have got the time taken for individual uh, sending and opening. So from this query, I will be writing a select statement and finding the percentage of send percentage and open percentage. So we can simply divide the send total time spent divided by total time sending plus a total time sending plus opening. In the same way, we can find out for uh, opening opening the snap opening, and we will be rounding it by 2, and rounding it by 2. So that's it. So this is how our query should work. Now let's write the query. So as I said, I will be starting with the ct. I will be selecting the age bucket. I will be writing the case statement, and I will be summing it. Case when activity type is then we will getting the time spent, else we should get 0, and then I will be ending my case statement, and I will be naming it as sent time. And in the same way I will be doing it for open also. I will be renaming it as open time, and then I want to have now total time spent. So I will be summing up total time spent, and I will be renaming it as total time spent. And now I will be joining both the table from activities as a inner join age group, age breakdown as age on a dot, where we will be filtering out the main part is where activity type in open, and at last I will be grouping it by the age group. Group by age bucket. So this is our CT query. Let's see is it correct or not. So here we are getting the center time, open time, and total time. So now in the next select statement, what we will do, we will be just simply finding the percentage of the individual and rounding it by 2, so that we can get our desired output. So let's write the query for that too. For percentage, I will be multiplying it by the 100, and then time spent divided by the total time as cent percentage. I will be doing for open also same, where I will be changing only this one time, one percentage. Okay, I selected here wrong send time. I think now it should run. Okay, it has been run, and now we have got the desired output which we are finding. So let's submit this. As we can see, we have successfully wrote the query for this question, and that's how we solve this snapshot sending versus opening snap SQL interview question. So thank you for watching this video, and See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep coding.